Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset OBS Studio to its default settings. Maybe you're running into problems, or you just want a fresh start. Whatever your reason, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know step-by-step how to safely and fully return OBS to its original state. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up OBS Studio on your computer. If you're already familiar with OBS, you know this is your hub for streaming and recording. So make sure you don't have any active recording sessions going, and save any important scenes or profiles if you want to keep them. Opening OBS is a simple step, but it's the base for everything we'll do next. Think of it like opening your toolbox before you get started on a project. Once OBS is open, turn your attention to the top menu bar. Right up there, you'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and click File. This menu holds some critical features in OBS, like importing, exporting, and for our purpose today, accessing the settings folder. If you've ever tinkered around with different configurations, all those changes are tucked away in that folder. By accessing this, you're reaching the heart of OBS's personalizations. Within the File menu, look for and select Show Settings folder. This option is sometimes easy to miss, but it's incredibly useful. When you click it, OBS will open up the folder on your computer where all your customized settings are stored. It'll pop up a window showing files and subfolders. These are the pieces that make up the way OBS is currently set up, including things like scene collections, profile settings, hotkeys, and more. If you've ever wondered where all those tweaks actually live, this is it. Now, here comes the main reset step. Inside this folder, you want to select everything. The fastest way is to click anywhere inside that folder so it's your active window. Then hold down Ctrl and press A on your keyboard. That's the shortcut for Select All. You'll know it worked when every file and subfolder inside the settings folder is highlighted. Then, with everything selected, simply hit Delete on your keyboard. Take a breath here. This is the moment that wipes out all your custom changes and brings OBS back to the default settings. If you're feeling hesitant, that's totally normal. Just remember, if you ever need something from this folder later, you can restore it from a backup, if you made one before starting. With those files deleted, your computer has essentially thrown out all the customizations that OBS was using. Before you see these changes take effect, you need to close OBS Studio completely. Go ahead and click the X or use the proper menu to exit. As you do, OBS may pop up a few prompt messages asking you to confirm closing or warn you about changes being lost. If you see these, just agree to close. This is pretty routine. It's just OBS making sure you're okay with what's happening. Once you've closed OBS completely, you're all set. The next time you open up OBS Studio, it'll behave just like it did the very first time you installed it. Fresh, clean, and ready for new settings. And that's it. Your OBS Studio is now reset to its default setup. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like. And if you have any questions along the way, drop them in the comments. I always love helping you troubleshoot and get the most out of your tech. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your clean slate in OBS Studio.